Hey, welcome back. Vsauce here. We're back again. We're gonna do something. I feel like every episode I can say that we're doing something a little bit different today, but you know what? I think I should just shut up and just let you guys watch and enjoy what's going on. So here's the plan for this episode. So we're not really gonna be doing necessarily anything car related. It'll be kind of car related, but it is car related. So let me erase that and start over. So what we're doing today is I'm gonna be actually trying to make a couple moves to start expanding not only the channel but myself as well, and kind of some ways to just explore new ideas. Some of the things I have in mind is honestly it's just pretty basic stuff. So I want to do some like t-shirts and sweatshirts, or not really sweatshirts, kind of like long sleeve hoodies. I know that's super basic and you're like, guys, Philip, I don't know what you're doing. We've seen this a million times before by every single other YouTube out there. And honestly, they do it because it's such an easy start. And it's not a bad way to get your foot in the door. So really, as much as there's every single other YouTuber out there is gonna have their own line of merchandise, I think honestly, each person that does it, it's a great idea for them. I don't get old of new sweatshirts and stuff because everyone has a different taste. Everyone likes different designs. And honestly, it just really helps to try to kind of explore that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the designs that I have in mind for you. I've already made a couple prototypes for the shirts, or actually it's just one design right now because we're starting small, but I wanna show you guys and then I'll catch you up with some other ideas. So this is the first idea we have. Let me fix the lens really quickly, it's a little foggy. But this is a shirt that I've had for quite a while now. I got it, I didn't get it, I actually made the shirt myself. So you can see it kind of has just the super design. But anyway, I made this shirt design. I'm gonna switch the camera, sorry, that's getting really foggy. And this is echoey, let me move again. That's bad lighting, kinda suck at this YouTube thing. But I got that design from someone and put it on a shirt. And what I really like about it is I just think it's a cool design, honestly. So I made this probably about a year ago. Put it up, said if anyone wants one, let me know. 0 hits. So apparently at the time, no one wanted them, or no one really cared or knew that much about who I was, so they're like, whatever, I'm just gonna put it off. It's just some dude trying to be an idiot. And I said, okay. Anyway, I posted a picture of myself wearing this shirt a couple days ago because I had no Supra content really. And I was like, hey, Supra shirt, close enough, put it up there. And I got a couple hits back saying, hey, where can I get the shirt? What can I do to get it? That's exactly what I just said before. But anyway, people asking me about the shirt, I'm curious about it. And then people said they'd be willing to buy them if I made some more, and I said, okay, might as well, so I'll probably start a run with those. So that's one of the things I'm gonna make. Again, I should be going back to work here in a few weeks. I'm off during school, as I said before, but I should be going back, which will let me get a bit of money to help get these shirts to possibly help fund the channel some more. Another thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna change in 3, 2, 1. I have this red long sleeve hoodie. Guys, I'm really sorry about the lens right now. It's really foggy, and I'm not sure why that is. Let me see if I can fix that. No luck, sorry guys. This is kind of how it's gonna be for this episode. But I also have this red long sleeve hoodie. It's not a sweatshirt. It does have a hood though, which I think is cool beans. I can't get it on. What is up with this foggy lens? Holy pieces of poop, that man. This is ridiculous. All right, got the lens figured out. I think what had happened is I just borrowed it from outside, and it probably was just cold and fogged up. Anyway, let it sit for a while, charge, and that's what I was talking about. So I have this red shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt with a hood, as I said before. It's not a sweatshirt. I personally like these because they're just super comfortable. Nice long sleeve for the winter. So it's just a normal shirt. I think the tear patterns are kind of cool. Some people are like, whatever, but I think it's cool. The hood's nice, it's whatever. But yeah, no, it's just another shirt. And then I have one more white shirt, which pretty much looks the same as this, but no tears, and then has the word inspired on the side with no I, which to each their own, but I think it's cool. So anyway, that's that. Then for the rest of the day, the plan is I need to get some things off the computer. I need to get some designs so I can head over and laser etch. What I want to do is see if I can start laser etching pictures of cars, people's cars, and then send those out to them. That's another idea I have for the shop. A lot of this, by the way, is probably going to be going through Instagram to start with. Just you'll message me, PayPal, and then that's how it'll be done. So anyway, that's really that. I'm going on talking a lot, so I'm going to set you guys down and let's get a montage going of what to do because I'm probably not going to be able to talk much, but let's get the montage going now.